Okay, what's going on with BlackBerry? We see a big heavy shorting for our stock right now, and we broke the support. So let's get right to it, guys, to and see the chart, and we actually decipher what's gonna happen for the next week. Because this is really important, guys. Look with me closely what's happening. I told you in the last video, I said, guys, really important level. This one, look with me about the ascending line that we draw. We have bounced from it from before, and each time we broke from it, we're gonna see lower lows for BlackBerry. And unfortunately, we didn't close, as I said before. Here, I told you guys we need a closing candle above here. We didn't, unfortunately, and we consolidate around it. And here we didn't close. We closed below and the confirmation candle. And today we open below our support. And look with me what's happening. This is really interesting because this candle right now, the 4-hour candle right now, we have the candle below. So by today, if we close here, guys, this will be really bad. If we just close here, we don't want it. What we want to see today is closing the candle here, like around the $12 above, because now it's 11. If we close by today around the $11.97, will be really bad for BlackBerry, because we might see the price, as I said before in the last videos, around the $10.55. Around this, we're gonna see a bit of hold up before the $9.38, and this is the strong support for actually BlackBerry. And as I said before, the volume's actually dropping. The last time we had the chance to overcome this ascending line, but we didn't actually go over it. And I told you guys this is the last chance that we actually go above, but we got actually consolidating around this ascending line, the important line that we actually can't actually overcome, because if you close up again, we have our ascending line, moving average here. We never close above it. Here we bounce from it, then our exponential average turned from the support to resistance and acting as a really hard resistance for us here. Look with me closely, and that's why we drove and we gapped today, and we see test for the 12. As I said before, we're gonna test the support level for BlackBerry. So this is really important, guys. You have to know that these things could happen. You have to predict the price that will actually go down, not wishing the price actually go up, because there's a lot of short sellers actually betting on stock one by one. And they see if there's a big movement for any stock but is not validated but fundamental, what they do, they just short the stock. That's what's happening. So that they try to make money as we try to make money. So it's fair play. Everybody actually open market. That's why it's called open market. You want to short, you can short. You want to buy, you could buy. So the game of the name of the game is patience, at the same time discipline, guys. You have to know when you take your profit, or if you want to hold. It depends on the stock. Like for AMC is a special case because a lot of people don't care about the fundamental. A lot of people actually just hold, and they have some kind of like tribe mentality. So this is not actually going on for any stock. Even GameStop don't have the strength as AMC, because everybody went from GameStop to AMC, and that's why we see a big buying pressure for AMC. It took us even to 70, and GameStop would never actually go to all-time high around the 400, because all the holder from GameStop, they just abandoned GameStop and went to AMC. Sorry to hear, like, if you're actually fan of GameStop, but that's what happened, and this is the reality. That's why AMC gained a lot of attraction. At the same time, the price moved up. As the same as for BlackBerry, if we want to see BlackBerry actually going up, we need the same tribe, the same mentality, the same thing that happened to our stock, like for for AMC, will happen for BlackBerry. But this doesn't happen because we don't have the same mentality, the same kind of scenario, because there's a lot of factor. And I don't like to actually compare some stock with the other, because there's a fundamental, there's a technical, there's a sentimental, there's different factors. So never say like, Tesla was actually trending before it was $10, or Amazon is $1, then now 3,000. Never compare one stock to other, because there's a lot of like fundamental time, and actually time frame is different for Amazon or anything. There's a lot of things come to play, so never compare everything with each other. And if you go deeper and you never actually use your fast thinking, you see it's not the same, and there's a lot of variables, and you can compare the two exactly, and you can compare the same situation that happened like in 2020 and like an internet bubble to happen right now again, because this is different scenario. As I said, guys, the game plan is we want to hold above the 12 in a Friday. If not, we're gonna see the price will drop by the next week, so be careful from that. At the same time, if you don't have a strategy, if you want to know how to hunt for the prices, and you never get caught up in the all-time high and buy all-time high like what happened here, join us on Patreon, and the comment section below. The link is actually in the comment section below. We're actually discussing your strategy, how to limit your loss, how to actually perfect your strategy and everything, and technical analysis for your favorite stock, where you buy, where you sell. And again, Discord channel, like to actually guide you on the way where the price actually move. There is some like volatility happening, like there's a bit selling pressure or the volume dropping, or can notify you. So join us, guys. We are 26 Patreon right now. You might be the 27 or the 30 by today, because we're growing each day. So without further ado, press the like button and see you in the next video.